Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day, and I hope you're enjoying your Bose Sleepbuds as much as I am. Just came back from Israel for 9 days and use them every night. Really has made such a difference every night here at home. Absolutely love them. You need to get them. If you already have them, great. Wanted to share with you how you can carry it now, not only with the charging case, but also the power supply and cable all in one. Makes it easier and also protects your investment when traveling. So glad to see that we have this great case. I'll share with you more information about it. You can click on the link where you can get more information on this case, as well as other kind of cases that are now coming out. So I definitely would recommend them. So as far as the case, let me just share with you some specifics. By the way, I hope you like my Bose sweater. Very nice sweater that was sent to me because I was part of the campaign when it first came out and working with them on video. So that's why I'm wearing this Bose sweater in this video. So really nice sweater, so thank you, Bose. But the product, it's for the case, it's a hard travel case for the Sleepbuds. It is a shockproof, dustproof, and water resistant, and protects your case, especially the charging case, from bumps, dents, and scratches. The material is EVA, and also it just, when you are looking at the case, it's just for the case. It doesn't obviously include the Bose Sleepbuds. However, I'll put a link where you can also order the Sleepbuds, so if you don't have them yet, and you also want to get the case, you can get them both. But again, the case comes separately. So really nice case, very small. I like it, and it's a hard shell. It's got some nice padding on the inside. It does have this strap that you can clip on here, and there you go. So you can just carry it like that. It's got a nice rubberized zipper pulley, and you could see right there. So that is it. I'm going to put the Sleepbuds in it in a minute just to show you. On the inside, it's got like this really nice soft felt material. So really nice job with detail that the company has looked at. So, and then here you've got this bungee for keeping, this is where you're going to put your charger, power supply, and cable, and then the Sleepbuds charger case goes in here. And then this tab is because what you do, and let me go ahead and do that now, is you slide this right in here. Look how perfectly it fits. If you want to take it out, all you do is use a lever and it pops out. So nice job there. And then for the power supply, you just tuck it in like this. And then for the cable, you would just wrap it up like this. And then you might just have to adjust it a little bit. Let me do a little bit more adjusting to it. And you would just slide that in like this. And I'm really so glad they came out with one, because it is nice when you can just carry it all in one. And then it just closes up. And there you go. You could take it along with you, and now you're protecting it. Especially when you're investing this much in the Sleepbuds, you really want to protect it. So a small investment for a case for an expensive product in the Bose Sleepbuds. So do click on the link to get more information on this case, and I will put the link again to the Bose Sleepbuds and other cases as well. And let me know if you have any questions on the product. But Bose really stepped up with these Sleepbuds. They are awesome. They're rocking. All right, everybody, have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.